All right, welcome back everyone. It's me again, Team with Irvin. Welcome to our Forex weekly outlook. This is the week of 16 to the 20 of May 2022, trading here with our website TWEForexSystem.com. So welcome to our Forex weekly outlook. Let's go ahead and start, guys. Let me show you the first pair of the week. The first pair that I have for you guys, it is USDCAD. Boom! Look at what USDCAD is going to do this coming week, guys. I'm super excited for this amazing sale the market is gonna give us this brand new week. Remember that we are trading the 16 to the what? 16 to the what? Let me see if you remember. 16 to the 20. You got it. That's the week that we are trading. So this is my prediction for this one, guys. Pay close attention to your dashboard. The dashboard is telling you that we are selling. We are selling. So guys, I just quick reminder to everyone is that we're using the trend line, this free indicator. If you want it, let me know. You can have it. It's free and it's well respected. If you come and see it here, look, it come and attach your the trend line in here. You usually come and respect the middle trend line, and then it comes in and attach at the bottom as well. So what is the meaning of that? When the market is here at the top, that means it's a sell zone. When the market is here at the bottom, that is your buy zone. When the market retests here on the middle, that is your golden Fibonacci level. So this is very good indicator. Let me know if you guys want it. I can go ahead and hand it over to you guys. All right, so let me continue and explain what USDCAD is gonna do this week, guys. All I can see is the market here is telling me that it's selling. Our multiple time frame is also confirming that we are selling. This is a pullback sell. Okay, so I don't know what we're looking for here, to be honest, is we don't know if this week is gonna show up for sure, but we're looking for our TWE sniper entry to show up in this area here. Let me go ahead and type it so you can see it, guys. So we're looking for the TWE sniper entry here. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for the TWE sniper entry to form in that area. And then, because all we know so far is the following. All we know, the market here is selling. That's what we are seeing here, the sell on the Fibonacci level. So market still has potential to keep moving back, retesting this red arrow here, which is between your 23 and your 38 Fibonacci level. Then the market will make a continuation of this buyer. Remember, the USD Canadian is still on that buy trend. The market will make a small retracement, retesting this low here, this high, in other words, and then boom, market will continue as a sell. So what we're looking for overall here, guys, is the TWE sniper entry. And yes, I'm looking for a sell position on USD Canadian. Let me know in the comment below, guys, if you guys are finding value so far. Stay with me to the end, guys. Even if you follow 1, 2, 3, 4 or all 5 pairs that I'm gonna give into you today, let me know. If I don't cover any of your pair, please let me know in the comment below, or send me a private message to my Telegram. The link is in the description of this video, so I can go ahead and record a video just on that particular pair. I can record a video maybe a minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes or maybe 50 seconds. Let me know in case I don't cover your pair today. Okay, so but overall here we're looking for a sell position. All right, so the next question, the next pair that I have for you guys here, it is EURUSD, which is the most tradable pair in the world. I always say that, and I'm gonna stay tuned. Guys, look at how beautiful this trend line it is, guys. Look at here, boom, boom, boom. Remember, when the market touch this, it means a sell zone. When the market comes here on the middle, that is very good for retracement. So look at where the market is sitting right now. The market is sitting here on our buy zone. It's telling you, look at the Fibonacci level. Fibonacci is also confirming that we are on that buy zone. So this is the EURUSD, guys. EURUSD for this coming week is getting ready for a buy position, but here on a multiple time frame, the system is not ready full yet. Look at here, look at here. Everything is, the higher time frame is telling us, hey, be careful, don't get into that buy position. The market is not bullish yet. Listen to me, the market is not in a buy position. The market here is still selling. Look at this sell, look at the stairs, look at the stair. Where's the stair coming? The stairs are clearly letting us know that we're still selling this particular pair. So all I can say is this week, guys, market may continue pushing down, coming back to your 0 Fibonacci level again, and then from here we're gonna have a pullback. So basically the market is gonna come back and retest between your 23 and your 38.2 Fibonacci, and I'm hoping the market to come to this mid Fibonacci level. I'm sorry, to this mid trend line in here, to this free indicator here, and then from there market was gonna make a small retracement. And what we're looking for here on EURUSD, once again, guys, is we are looking for our TWE sniper entry to fully form in this area, so we can have basically a what? We can have a buy entry. All right, okay, that's what we're looking for in here. So EURUSD is still selling. We are looking for that buy position, but be careful, the market is not there yet for that buy to take it. Okay, so please, guys, don't if you don't know how to trade, guys, let me know in the comment below. Send me a message, I could help you out. And please don't buy signals, guys. Don't pay for signals. Learn how to trade. Here on a multiple time frame, the system is pretty awesome, pretty easy, but everything need education, right? You need training. So it's not like, oh yeah, here's the tool, go on your own. No, you need training. So let me know if you want me to help you guys. And guys, please be careful on scam, guys. I will never ever send you anything in writing saying, hey guys, let me go ahead and you know, take over your account. No, you're gonna always hear from me here on YouTube first, or either on a Telegram if I have something to say, but you're gonna hear directly from me, not in other fake channels. Okay, be careful on that, guy. All right, let's move on to the next pair, guys. And I just want a reminder to everyone, guys, the following, guys, I'm not your financial advisor, I'm not giving you any signal like that. Please do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose. This business is very risky, but you must learn how to trade. If you need help, please let me know in the comment below. Sir Irvin, I want you to help me trade. I want to be a profitable trader, but what? This is what I'm having issue. I'm here to help you. Okay. All right. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is gold. Gold is sexy, guys. Look at the dashboard. Look at what gold is doing. Boom. Look, beautiful. Everything in gold, every time frame is only going in one direction. Look at what the multiple time frame is doing. Look at the trend line here. Well, the multiple time frame, it works so magically. Oh my goodness. Look at the trend line. The TW sniper entry also work out with the trend line so magically. Look at here, the middle, in the middle of this trend line in here, guys. Look at our multiple time frame. Boom, boom. It's telling them the market is still selling. Look at the stairs. The stairs don't lie. We know the market here is selling. That, look at the dashboard. Dashboard saying it's selling. So that's exactly what gold is doing. So pay close attention, because this is very important for you to understand what I'm gonna say here. Look at here. Look at here. Market came in where? It came in retest your trend line again, which is your 0 Fibonacci, your buy zone. This is your buy zone here. So what are we expecting to do here? All right, we're expecting to look for a buy. But unfortunately, guys, the market is not ready yet. We trade with rules. Just because it come and retest those levels, it doesn't mean that you're gonna enter on the market right away. No. You must trade with rules. So all I can say here, guys, is the following. Market still gonna be pushing down, coming back and retest your 0 Fibonacci level, maybe another 15-30 more pips below. Then from here, officially, we are looking for that what? Buy position, coming up and retesting your 23 to your 38.2 Fibonacci level. Look at all these levels in here, very nice key levels in here. And look at what they look. Pay close attention to this one, guys. Look at here. Look in the middle of your trend line here to this free indicator that you're gonna get here, because this is free for you. Look at here, 1, 2, and we're looking for the third one in here. and then market will continue as a sell. And what we are expecting to see, guys, to be honest, we are expecting to see another what? What do you think we are expecting to see here, guys? What do you think we are expecting to see here? We are expecting to see a TWE sniping entry right on this area here. That's what we're looking for on gold, but it's not there yet. Gold still selling. I told you last week about this pair and I'm still on it. Okay, so be careful, guys. Remember, if you want me to help you to trade, just let me know in the comment below. I will be more than happy to help you out. And guys, do me a favor. Hopefully, like I said, you are finding value so far. If you are, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and let me know, or drop a comment below if you have any question, or if you want me to record any pair that I didn't cover today. All right, so I can make the video right away, because I'm here live. I got a lot of time in my hands now. All right, let's go ahead and review the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you, it is GBPJPY. Look at this beautiful pair, guys. Oh my goodness, this is on fire. Look at the dashboard first. Look at here. Everything is telling me, Irvin, market is bullish. Guys, once again, do you guys want this free indicator here? Do you want this trend line in here? Let me know, and I'll go ahead and hand it over to you guys. All right, let me know in the comment below. But it works so magnificent with our multiple time frame system. So I love it. I love it. I love it. This is what we're expecting to see on the previous pair that I give you guys on gold. Look at here, touch 1, touch 2. We're looking for this touch 3 in here, and then market will do the boom, the following will drop. But that's what we're gonna be getting on the other one. Okay, what do you guys think? All right, so here it is. So GBPJPY, guys, is getting ready for a pullback. Overall market, yes, it is in a buy position, but multiple time frame in here we are TW sniper entry, saying that we are on that sell position. Look at the stairs. This will not fake you out. Look at here. Is clearly going in only in one direction only, and that is only selling. So now we're coming, this is a brand new week, right? So I want you to remember, this is a brand new week that we are covering here. We're doing our Forex weekly outlook for the week of May 16 to the 20. And this is what I'm expecting to see here, guys. Market here is here telling us that we are in a buy position. That's why you are seeing all these TWE's dashboard confirming that we are on the buy position, right? Then what happened next is the following. Market here is clearly going where? It's going up. So I will say yes, the market will continue going up, retesting this high here, which is previous TW sniper entry. Look at here, it's already in the middle. So yes, it will come to this level here or either to the next one. So I will leave it right on the middle, and then from here we are expecting to see a red arrow right on this area, here, and then we're gonna continue selling that pair down. But this is the fun part in here, guys. I'm looking for another TW sniper entry here, and then guess what? Boom, market will go on that fully buy position. That's what we are seeing on the dashboard, that everything here is clearly only trying to go in that buy position, but it's not 100% there yet, but it is giving you an indication. This is a very nice pair to be on that pullback. If you're look, I'm not telling you to take this trade, but that's what I'm expecting to see here. Okay, all right, what do you guys think, guys? What do you guys think? Let me know if you want this indicator, guys. It's free. If you want it, let me know. Don't pay money for this one, because this is free. I can hand it over to you. It's very lovely how it works with our multiple time frame. All right, let's go ahead and review GBPUSD. I love this pair, guys. Here it is. Boom, look at how beautiful this pair works, how we are with this free indicator here. Look at here. Boom, TWE sniper entry is also letting us know that we are what? We're still selling here, right? Look at the trend line in here. Boom, boom, boom. Now look at how I'm gonna break down this pair, because this is very important to break down this. All we know, we are selling, like I say, you know. Multiple time frame in here saying what? Is saying that we are selling. Look at it. Look at the steers. Sell, 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 sell. Look at the indicators here. Look, it came and retested your trend line once. It came and retested your trend line twice. Look, it came here and retested your mid trend line in here. Your mid trend line, half of it, and tell you the market's still selling. Look at here, it came and retested your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Boom. So what's my understanding for this GBPUSD, guys? GBPUSD is still selling. It's getting ready for that buy position, but it's not full there yet. So this is my understanding. Yes, the market will come back and get stronger. It will retrace back, but right at this level here, because it's creating basically what I'm seeing here. Let me delete everything here. What I'm seeing here, guys, the market is building up right on this area. Let me create a box, which is much better. So market is building up in here. Is basically is consolidating, in another word, right? So it's consolidating in this area here. That's what I'm saying. The market will come back here to this level here. Then boom, finally market will come back and go in that buy trend, going up and retesting your 23 mid, your 38 Fibonacci level, and then market will make another small retracement. And yes, what I'm expecting to see on GBPUSD is our TW sniper entry, confirming that we are fully on that buy position. The lower time frame, look at here, the lower time frame is already letting us know that we are in a buy position. But I trade with rules, so I always pay attention what 4 hours and daily is doing. And unfortunately here market is still selling, so I will not take that buy yet, because it's contradicting with the larger time frame. So it's very important for me to trade with rules. So if you want me to teach you guys how to trade, let me know in the comment below. I will be more than happy to help you out. Okay, so but that's basically, I'm looking for a very successful week this week, guys, and hopefully you are too. So but thank you guys for watching our Forex weekly outlook for the week of May 16 to the 20. So once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to share this video with your other fellow traders, and be sure to subscribe, guys. God bless you guys. God bless the world. God bless each and every one of you and your family, your everyone, guys. And remember, stay healthy, stay humble, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. Hasta la vista, baby. Peace out. Team with Irving, baby. Peace out.